The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange Binance has halted Bitcoin withdrawals for the second time in 12 hours. This time around, the halt lasted for over an hour. The exchange blamed the problem on a backlog of transactions waiting to be processed in the mempool. It said its set fees did not take into account the recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees. Backlog of pending transactions. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance halted Bitcoin withdrawals for an hour late Sunday and again Monday morning, citing a backlog of transactions on the blockchain. The company said the problem stemmed from a lack of rewards offered to so-called miners, those who process trades on the Bitcoin network and record them on its ledger. Binance said it would resume withdrawals after increasing the fees that users must pay so their transactions are picked up by mining pools. On Sunday, the exchange reported that there were about 400,000 pending Bitcoin transactions in a mempool, a place on the blockchain where new transactions wait to be verified by all the nodes on the network. That's about twice as many as the usual number of pending transactions. During the pause, Bitcoin prices slipped 2% to $28,162. Shares of crypto and blockchain-related companies fell in pre-market trading. Riot Platforms, RIO, slumped 4.3% in Marathon Digital, MARA, declined 5.5%, while blockchain farm operator Hut 8 Mining, HUT, fell more than 6%. The exchange resumed Bitcoin withdrawals shortly before midnight, and later tweeted that it was working to speed up the process by boosting transaction fees and by using the Lightning Network, a Layer 2 solution that helps ease congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain. It also said it would work to avoid such problems in the future. According to Binance, the fee levels it set did not anticipate a recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees payments made to so-called miners who validate transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. So, when the price of gas jumped recently, a high volume of pending transactions remained unprocessed by mining pools. Binance says the current backlog will be resolved soon, and that it is implementing measures to prevent future outages. Those include replacing withdrawal transactions with higher miner fees to ensure they are selected by mining pools and confirmed quickly. The company also said it will monitor on-chain activity and consider using the Lightning Network to increase withdrawal speeds and reduce congestion. The Lightning Network is a payment protocol that operates on top of the Bitcoin blockchain and aims to tackle the scalability issues inherent in the cryptocurrency's original technology. High transaction fees. Cryptocurrency exchanges charge a variety of fees for transactions. The costs can change on a regular basis, so it's important to check them often. One of the biggest factors in transaction fees is the number of pending transactions. When a lot of transactions are waiting to be confirmed, it takes up space on the blockchain and can lead to higher processing fees. Another factor is the amount of cryptocurrencies traded on an exchange. The more cryptocurrencies that are being traded, the higher the fees. On Sunday, Binance halted Bitcoin withdrawals for 90 minutes, blaming congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain. The cryptocurrency market took notice, sending shares of Bitcoin mining companies down. Riot Platforms, Marathon Digital, and Hut 8 Mining all fell more than 2%. The Binance team has assured investors that their funds are safe while working to resume BTC withdrawals. The CZ-led project said that it paused the withdrawals because our set fees did not anticipate the recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees. Binance is replacing pending withdrawal transactions with higher fees so they get picked up by Bitcoin miners, which should speed up the process. For customers, the good news is that the transaction fees at Binance are fairly low compared to other exchanges. Its base fee is 0.15%, and customers can earn additional discounts based on their VIP status. VIP levels range from VIP 0 to VIP 9. In addition, Binance offers a discount of up to 25% for customers who pay with BNB coins. However, it is worth noting that users must have a minimum of 1 BNB to qualify for the discount. The other big advantage of Binance is its ability to offer cross-trading between different cryptocurrencies. This means that you can swap your cryptocurrencies without having to cash out and then move them somewhere else. This can save you a lot of money on conversion fees. Binance also has an excellent customer support system with email and a live chat. The only downside is that it does not have phone support like some of its rivals do. Congestion on the blockchain. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, has paused Bitcoin withdrawals for the second time in less than 12 hours, citing congestion on the Bitcoin network. The company is blaming the problem on a surge in transaction fees and a large volume of pending transactions that need to be processed. The company says it will reopen withdrawals once it has a chance to process the backlog of transactions. The halt in withdrawals has pushed the price of Bitcoin down by about 1%, with the cryptocurrency trading at $28,191. This is the lowest level in about a week. The decline has also spooked investors, who have been worried about the future of the cryptocurrency market. Binance has halted withdrawals twice since Sunday evening, with the first pause lasting about an hour. The second pause occurred about 3 hours after the first, and the exchange said it would resume them once it had completed the backlog of pending transactions. Binance has also increased transaction fees in an effort to prevent problems with withdrawals in the future. The company helmed by crypto billionaire Changpeng CZ Zhao is the clear leader in the crypto industry, and its spokesman has assured customers that their funds are safe. One possible cause of the transaction fee spike is the recent surge in memecoins generated under the Bitcoin blockchain. These tokens, such as the Pepe, and Gifcoin, GTC, have driven up the number of transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. This has put a strain on the system, with a backlog of pending transactions forming in the so-called mempool. The higher fees that Binance has implemented should help address the issue, but the company is also working to incorporate the Lightning Network, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin. The Lightning Network is designed to reduce congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain by allowing for faster, more secure transactions. The move should also help mitigate the impact of any future withdrawal halts by eliminating the need for the large number of pending transactions to be confirmed by miners on the Bitcoin network. Unconfirmed transactions. When a transaction is not confirmed by the Bitcoin blockchain, it's referred to as an unconfirmed transaction. The Bitcoin network has been clogged with record amounts of unconfirmed transactions, which are costing users high transaction fees and pushing miners to spend more time on the task of processing them. Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, halted BTC withdrawals for about an hour late Sunday, May 7, and again for several hours early Monday morning. The company said it was unable to process the high volume of transactions due to a spike in Bitcoin network gas fees, which are payments made to so-called miners whose computing power processes transaction data on the blockchain. The company said its set fees did not anticipate the recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees. The exchange raised those fees and replaced the pending withdrawal transactions with higher fees to ensure they are picked up by mining pools. Then, the company said it would monitor on-chain transaction activity to determine if the issue reoccurs. If you have a Bitcoin wallet, you can check the status of your transactions on the blockchain using its web interface. In order to view a transaction, you must log into the blockchain and select Wallet, Overview, Transaction History. It is important to check your Bitcoin transaction details carefully to see if the information you provided is accurate. If you send the wrong address or your information is incorrect, it will not be successful and you may lose your funds. Traders were already jittery about the rise in cryptocurrencies price volatility amid a broader sell-off in stocks and bond markets, and Bitcoin prices fell after the exchange halted withdrawals. Shares of cryptocurrency and blockchain-related companies also slumped, including Bitcoin miner Riot Platforms Inc. and Marathon Digital Ltd., as well as publicly traded Coinbase Inc. and Hut 8 Mining Incorporated. The index of the largest 100 cryptocurrencies dropped about 3% on Monday.